Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace front door lock actuator guys on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX. Both of the vehicles share the same platform, so the procedure guys will be about the same for both of them, first generation. Now, we will demonstrate how to remove or how to replace the front door lock actuator on the front left side, but the front right will be the same way as well guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, will be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a new replacement door lock actuator, or you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. There you can find it for your convenience. So now this is it. Okay, this is the door lock actuator out of a 2009 Ford Edge guys. That's what we'll be working on. We'll demonstrate on the front left door, but as I said, the front right will be the same way as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now and show you what needs to be done. So now guys, we need to get a small screwdriver, and right here there is one cap that we'll need to actually pry open. Under that cap there is one screw guys with a few head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove that screw. Okay, you can see it got loose. Now don't drop the screw guys. Okay, right there, perfect. What else we need to do guys? We need to get a plastic panel removal tool, and we need to try, okay, to actually pry that thing out. Okay, it's coming out, you can see, just like that. Now we have to disconnect guys, okay, the wires. Okay, that is for the door lock switch, central locking switch. Right here you press in and pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. So with that, okay, that cover out of the way, now we can continue guys. We'll need to remove, okay, first the window switch guys. Okay, the whole window switch will need to be disconnected right here. We'll show you guys, this is the first thing, because most of the people will think that the window switch, you remove it with the door panel. On this one you have to actually take it apart guys yourself. Okay, it does get stuck a little bit here and there sometimes. Okay, perfect. You can see because all the wiring harness is there guys, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness now before we continue. Press in, disconnect one by one, there as well, one here, perfect, and this one comes out. What else guys we need to do? Okay, we need to get, okay, a 732 socket guys, and right here there is another bolt hidden in the handle. Okay, you can see where it is. Then guys, we need to go ahead and remove, okay, we might need to get a shorter screwdriver. I don't know if this one will fit, let's see. We have one screw right there with a Phillips head screwdriver. It is coming out. Okay, so that's great. One on the bottom. Okay, this one is coming loose as well. Perfect. Now guys, we have underneath a few as well, you can see. Right there too. Quite a few guys screws. I like that design. I mean, it's not pretty, but it holds the door panel in place really good. And I just noticed that Ford here guys, check it out, even didn't paint their door all the way out of the factory. That's crazy. Okay, Torx 20, start looking bit on this one. It's not a Phillips screwdriver, that's a Torx 20, start looking bit. And now guys, we need to grab that door panel. Okay, pull it out, then go up, come out, and let's see if we have anything else holding. Nothing guys. Let me show you where all the clips are located now. Only two clips, 1, 2 clips here, one on top here, guys, and I don't see more. I think this is all, guys. Next, guys, let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, we need to turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. We actually need to reconnect our window switch. Okay, let's turn the radio off. Reconnect our window switch because we will need to bring the window up or down. Okay, and we will need to open, guys. Okay, these caps right there, one on the left side, one on the right side. And now we start moving the window, guys, up and down until we see, okay, the releases for the windows, guys. Keep going more, a little bit more. Okay, up right there. You can see one screw here, one on this side, guys. Now we can go ahead actually and turn the ignition switch off, and we can continue with the next step. So now, guys, let me show you. Okay, with the Torx 30 start looking bit, let me focus quick so you can see. Okay, yep, right there. We need to, okay, let's see if we need to get them loose or remove them all the way. I do not remember, guys, okay, exactly how it worked. Okay, just get it loose. And the window, guys, comes loose. So, or take it off the way. No, we need to take it all the way, guys, all the way. Because it's holding. So you can see how it got stuck there a little bit. So you don't need to, guys, remove them all the way. Okay, that's a good thing that you watch the video, guys, because otherwise you can mess your things up. Get it loose just a little bit, okay, about 1 to 2 revolutions, guys. And once you do that, you can grab and pull the window up. Okay, let us show you. You can just bring it up all the way. Okay, just like that. Now you can leave it right here. So you guys have 2 options now. You can bring the window up and tape it to stay there, or remove it. We'll be making a video how to remove it, so that's why, guys, we'll show you how to remove it. But if you want, you can just bring it up and tape it. So in order to remove the window, we will have to turn the ignition back on. And what we'll do, actually, we're going to bring the window down. Okay, down. One person is holding the glass. We'll just bring the regulator down. Okay, now we'll grab, guys, okay, that seal there, pull it out, and what we'll do next, grab that window. It should come in an angle, that glass, and pull it out, guys. This is it, the front window glass out of the forward edge. That's how we, guys, remove it. So now, guys, as I said, we remove the window, but if you want, you can leave it there. In order, guys, to remove that panel here with the regulator, now things get a little more complicated. There is a few clips holding here, guys, so there is a way to slide it in and out. But usually, guys, what we do, we remove the door lock actuator, window regulator, exterior door handle assembly out of the way, and later, guys, okay, we install, okay, the door lock actuator, the exterior door handle assembly. And there is a way to slide that panel on it, but we couldn't find a way to not slide it, and we actually, guys, okay, we learned the hard way in the past, and on this one it's broken too because we actually had to remove it in the past. So you will see, guys, that's why it's a good thing to watch the video and you don't make the same mistakes with you. Okay, 10mm socket now, guys. Let's go ahead and remove a few bolts here and there, and you will see what do we have here. 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts. Awesome. So far, guys, not bad, right? Now we need to see how it's going to come out. Ours is already broken, guys. As I told you, we did break ours. Now let's see, okay, what we need to do here and how we're going to get a little bit of room. We'll, guys, need to remove the door lock actuator now, okay, and the exterior door handle mechanism. So we'll show you guys how to do that. Let's remove the door lock actuator now, okay, and then we'll start with the exterior door handle. So this one is with the Torx, Okay, looks like it's a Torx 25 star looking bit maybe. Let's see, or if it's a 30. Yep, 25 guys. So now guys, okay, 3 bolts that we need to get loose. Okay, loosen those and remove them. Okay, you can see we're working now on the third one. Those usually guys have thread lockers, so they may not go easy. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead with the exterior door handle release now. So what you need to do now guys, okay, right here when you open the door you have 2 covers. Okay, you're going to have 2 rubber covers. You need to remove one of them guys, the bottom one. Okay, right there. So by removing that cover now, okay, let me show you. Perfect. You're going to have a Torx, I believe it's a 20, Torx 20 star looking bit guys. Okay, here let me show you what it looks like. Okay, just like this one. You're going to get inside, it's more to the left, and start getting it loose guys. Okay, get it loose a little bit more. Okay, don't get it loose all the way. Okay, perfect. Until you guys can pull that, okay, that cover out, just like that. Don't remove it more now. And we're going to see, okay, what else we need to do. Now, I'll slide that handle towards the back, pull out of here, and come out, guys, in an angle. Okay, you can see, just like that. With the exterior door handle already removed, we have one bolt that we need to just get loose. Do not remove it all the way. Get it loose like that, perfect. And that thing guys, okay, it will slide in. Okay, it should slide in. We're going to check in a second exactly to make sure guys that it's going to come out here. Okay, let me see what it looks like, because it's a little bit stuck. Okay, we have that locking mechanism here as well. Actually, I think we need to remove that screw all the way. Simply guys, because we'll need that thing, okay, to actually sink in. Okay, perfect, just like that, otherwise it won't work out. Now, with the door lock actuator released as well, we should be able to grab that window regulator guys. Assembly, okay, the whole assembly, it comes out of there. Okay, now we have the wire guys here, okay, for the for that switch guys. Okay, this is the one that the keypad, the one that okay, you guys punch the code to unlock your door. So go ahead, grab it guys. Okay, ours is not broken. Okay, actually it does have 2 screws guys. I thought this one was broken. I think it was the other one we were working on. So you can see how the whole assembly comes out guys. You cannot just slide it or anything like that. You just have 2 screws holding that, so you won't be able guys, okay, to just remove that panel without removing door lock actuators and everything else as well. So now guys, with all that being disconnected, we need to go ahead and release the wire here. Okay, this is the one for the keypad entry unlock. So we just need to go ahead and disconnect, okay, that clip right there. It goes here in the canal, perfect, coming out. Okay, we need to remember how that went. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the door lock actuator. Press in, pull it out. Now we have 8mm guys, 8mm socket that we need to use to remove 2 screws. Perfect. Now we grab that thing guys, and we have the cable that we need to disconnect from the interior door handle. Okay, and that cable goes right here. Okay, right here now. So Okay, let us see exactly. Okay, there is a clip on the back side. Right there. We need to press that one in. Okay, so it's going to come out, guys. This one will be a little bit complicated. So what we can do now, okay, I will get a small screwdriver. I think I'll be able to pry it out. Okay, let's get that lock rod out of the way too, guys. Things are a little bit complicated, so okay, we just need to disconnect that cable, or we need to pull it out of the interior door handle. But right here, I'll just go ahead and grab a small screwdriver. Let me grab one quick. Okay, and I think we'll be able to pry it, guys. Okay, so yep, we pry it open, it comes out, and we disconnect the cable. Okay, right there. Perfect. And exterior door handle assembly and the door lock actuator, guys. Okay, come out just like that. Now we need to separate the door lock actuator from the exterior door handle, guys. So how we do that? Okay, let's figure it out. Okay, there is two clips. Okay, right there we need to press that one in. Okay, I have a screwdriver right here. Okay, a little bit of screwdriver, so press in. A little bit more. Okay, and now we have something else somewhere still holding us. Okay, right there. Now check it out, we need to disconnect the rods, guys. Okay, for locking, unlocking the door and opening the door. Okay, this one, I don't think it goes that way. I think this one just opens right here. We might be able to pull the whole thing out, but you can open it and disconnect it as well. So we can just go ahead and do that, I guess. That way too. And go in an angle. And disconnect this one, and the two pieces come out. Okay, you can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove the door lock actuator out of a 4-latch or Lincoln MKX. We'll actually have, guys, the links in the description of the video below if you need to purchase a new one. The only thing left will be that okay, that rod that you need to disconnect. That's pretty simple, but that's how you guys do it, putting it together practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.